change our spot a bit. Our previous spot near the abandoned hotel was 800 meters away, and road here was a bit sketchy, but Joni is an excellent driver. We got this gorgeous, amazing place.
Yeah, compared to the beach, yes, beach is great. You can go there swimming on the pebbled beach. But there's a lot of people. Peloponnesos Peninsula is really popular among people with their motorhomes spending whole winter. So they are snowbirding usually in places where it's easy to go. So this is a perfect place for us. Peninsula where there's nobody else. And also there's blue sky and blue
sea access to the water.
And because the road here is so bad, really bad, in some spots it has actually rained away totally, we can be here all alone.
Yeah.
Just a couple of fishermen has actually come with their pickups here to fish on that shore, but otherwise we haven't seen anyone, so perfect place and perfect time to be here. And this is how we actually spend our winter. Bad roads is like a filter, so you can get to the nicest wild camping spot with the bad road. Yeah, even gravel road works because people don't like to actually drive on a gravel road. They hate it, so it's enough when you are just driving gravel road a couple of kilometers. We have a water spot, like I think 5 kilometers away there on a cemetery. Full tank of water. Best thing ever in the world. So winter birding here is great. We love it. Simple, nothing special, but still loving it. Yeah, walking with Pulla on the gravel roads here and just enjoying winter. Yeah, it's snowing in Finland. Here is and I think this is the warmest winter ever in Greece, because we can be here on a t-shirt in the middle of the day when the sun is up.
And winters in Greece can be beautiful, but it's kind of windy very often, so it's nice to seek some shelter. And this spot is amazing because we are totally in the middle of the woods. And this plant is so weird and strange because the flower part doesn't come from the middle. It looks like somebody planted it. It's always from the side. Yeah. Even it's onion, we are not going to eat it because it's toxic. It's good to know your plants.
And it would be nice to actually see this place during summertime. There is this sea onions here, which has a really nice flowers, and also this will bloom in the summertime. And winter time everything is a bit grey and we can just see green on those pine trees around us.
This place is super gorgeous, so I think we will stay here several nights even and eat all our food away and then leave after we run out of water or groceries.
Or we just go get the supplies and come back here to the same place.
Yeah.
Let's see.
We are so in love with this place, and Pulla likes to be here a lot too, because there's no trash, no human feces, nothing that he can eat, and no wild dogs, so peaceful, quiet night. Gorgeous, perfect place to be. And we did make some friends even, so we are not always totally alone. We went to see the caves together with our neighbors, so it's always fun to meet these fellow nomads.
Yesterday we saw one monk seal, but our neighbors actually gave us a message that there's a monk seal and a baby monk seal. So this is our way of spending time on a camp, trying to see the seals. We are planning to go for laundry in 4 days, and I'm out of underwear, so washing some laundry by hand, just using hand soap. Yeah, you can get decent clean laundry just by that. And hot water from our water heater, because heater kicks in the night time and it also warms up the water inside of there. So nice way to make laundry. We were actually visiting the cave. It's a prehistoric cave just beside us, and there was people living 6,000 before Christ, and 3,000 before Christ they had boats that they went to Kos and all the islands in Greece. It's like 150 kilometers you have to go with the prehistoric boat. Sounds interesting. And there was lots of fishermen, and also they lived in the cave and in the front of the cave. Yeah, water was much more lower back then, like 6 kilometers that direction was the shoreline back then. So, and this place was much colder back then. But yeah, it was nice to actually go there to see some local sights. We were actually trying to visit that cave 7 years ago and failed miserably because we went from the wrong side of the mountain and there's no paths. And we have been now in the same place for a longer period of time, so we have actually started this van life gang. And one night we actually made bonfire on an amphitheater. Yeah, we made there a bonfire and just enjoyed the evening, sharing tips and sharing just living and traveling in Greece. But at the moment it's just a hobby that we make and living off the savings. So we actually lived in a van in Finland for 4 years.
Yamas.
Yamas.
Yamas. It's actually proper van life song because we cook restaurant in it's like free for the lifetime, and it's like that.
We have morning sun from there and the evening sun goes there. So we have the whole day's sun here because it's cold when the sun goes down or it's cloudy. It's really nice to have the sun hitting you the whole day. Loving slow traveling, slow camping and being in one place. Sarah appreciates a lot. Yes, best part of Greece, you are always by the sea, so you can get swimming, the best part of the day.
There's a shooting stars outside, so we will go there, the sea. Hopefully we can see them because it would be so epic and beautiful ending for this gorgeous park-up place. Yeah, this is real van life. Undoing, undone dishes and bunch of crap playing. Yeah, but let's go see the stars. Whoa, it's really dark here. So hopefully we can see them because there's not many clouds in the sky, so perfect.
There should be 200 shooting stars per hour, so you don't have to really stare quite a long time to the sky.
Yeah, Greece is a good place because it's kind of dark here and not much light pollution where we are. There is a little harbor in the peninsula. So
you can see it in here.
Yeah, so there's some light.
But that is basically only light.
Yeah, and tiny little moon just in the sky, so perfect, and no clouds. Yeah, so beautiful to watch beautiful sky with your tiny family.